If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error 520 on your PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it, step by step. Error 520 usually means the server is returning an unknown error, and in many cases the issue is temporary, browser-related, or caused by something like cached data, extensions, or a VPN. So before you assume the app is broken forever, let's go through the fixes in the right order. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's check whether X is actually having an outage. Open your browser and go to Downdetector, then search for X or Twitter. If there's a spike in reports, the issue may be on their side, and in that case, your best option is usually to wait a little while and try again later. But if the service looks normal, we can move on to browser fixes. The first thing to try is a hard refresh. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. A hard refresh forces the browser to reload the page and ignore some stored files that may be causing the error. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. In Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select Cookies and Other Site Data, plus Cached Images and Files. Then set the time range to All Time and click Clear Data. Once that's done, go back to X and try loading the page again. If you're still getting the error, open the site in Incognito or private browsing mode. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Safari, press Command plus Option plus P. Private mode helps you test whether the problem is being caused by saved cookies, cache, or a browser extension. If X loads properly in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is local to your browser setup. Next, disable your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with how X loads and even trigger error 520. Open the three-dot menu in your browser, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn them off one by one. After disabling them, reload the X tab, and see if the page opens normally. If the error still appears, check your VPN or proxy. X and Cloudflare can sometimes flag VPN traffic or certain proxy IPs, which may lead to an empty response or a server error. Turn off your VPN temporarily, disconnect from your proxy, and then refresh the page again. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. If none of these steps work, try opening X in a different browser, or even on a different network, just to confirm whether the issue is specific to your current browser or internet connection. The important thing is to isolate the cause one step at a time. Most error 520 issues are not permanent, and one of these simple fixes usually gets X loading again. So to recap, check for an outage, hard refresh the page, clear your cache and cookies, test in private mode, disable extensions, and turn off your VPN or proxy if needed. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.